Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Imani, and over here on this channel we talk about all things beauty, business, motivation, mindset, etc. So if you're interested, keep watching and make sure to subscribe. I got my tea here today because we're about to get serious. Also, I have a raging hangover, so So in today's video, I decided I wanted to come on here and spill some knowledge, help you guys out. I wanted to come on here and talk to you about what you can do or some tips and tricks you can use when your Depop sales are like shitty. Basically. Let's see, it's getting hot. I'm gonna have to take this robe off, y'all. I'm wearing it because like I just thought it looked stylish. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, so you started your Depop, you've been listing things consistently, you've been relisting your items, you've been being very active. Everything you can do, you've been doing it. Or so you think. For some reason, you just can't see sales anymore. Like, your sales, like, there is a huge dip. Girl, we've all been there. Or guy, we've all been there. And I know how much it sucks. So, here are a couple of tips and tricks that you can use when your Depop sales are low. The first tip that I feel like is a given and everybody knows it is you can list more inventory. The more you post your stock, the more chances you have of being seen and the more chances you have of making a sale. So make sure you keep posting consistently, like if not every day, almost every other day. Like, do it as much as possible. That's how I had to start out. And girl, it was a lot of work, but I mean, I liked it in the beginning. I liked it in the beginning because, you know, you're starting a business. It's fun. But after a while, I know it could get tiring. Like, it is so time consuming to post inventory. So just set up a schedule for yourself and make sure you follow through with it. And hopefully you should see a little rise in sales. The next tip is more of a question. Make sure you ask yourself constantly, is what I'm selling in season? I mean, I know people will buy things in different seasons. People will buy summer outfits in the winter outfits in the summer. But it's more likely that people are going to buy outfits that are on trend. So make sure that you constantly keep up with the seasons, what the newest trends are. Just make sure that you follow to the T. Well, I don't know about to the T, but make sure you follow all of those trends and all of those guidelines so that way you can stay up to date. Your listings will stay at a higher... What's the word? I don't know the word. So that your listings can stay high up in the results. My third tip for increasing sales is to make sure that you reshoot your items if they aren't selling. So like, if you have a top and you did it on a flat lay, if you don't know what that is, it's like, it's basically you lay it on the ground or some shit. So yeah, just reshoot your items. Try styling them on yourself. You could hire models too. I've thought about that, but I don't know. I'd rather just use myself. It's a lot cheaper. And then also make sure that you're styling it according to season. So if you have this super cute shirt that's a tube top, but you want to wear it in the winter, make sure that your accessories are winter related so that people will know how they can style this piece during the winter, if that makes sense. My fourth tip is to repost your listings. So by repost, I don't mean just like relisting. I'm not talking about like going to edit, then click and save again. I'm talking about like you actually take that listing, copy it over to a new listing, add those same photos or different photos, and post it. With this, it can get a little confusing in the long run because once you start making a lot of sales, it can be hard to keep up with what you've sold and what you haven't sold. So make sure that you keep up with your inventory and make sure that you mark it as sold if it's sold, because that's happened to me so many times where I've relisted it more than one time and somebody will buy it some months before, and then a couple months later somebody else will buy it again, and I'm like, I'm searching for this piece. Then I double check. Turns out I already sold it. So yeah, make sure that you keep up with your stuff, okay? because it can get really, really overwhelming really fast. My fifth tip, and this is kind of like a mental health kind of tip, if you will. Set goals for yourself. Set daily goals for yourself. Or weekly goals. How many sales do you want to make in a week? How many sales do you want to make in a month? Set goals for yourself and do whatever it takes to reach those goals. I promise you will see a difference. Of course, don't overwhelm yourself because, you can set your goals too high sometimes. Be realistic when setting your goals, okay? Because you don't want to be, I want 1,000 sales this week, but you only got 40 followers. That don't make sense. It doesn't make sense. So be realistic with your goals, okay? My final tip is just kind of like a little bonus. The best days to post on Depop are on Sunday and Monday evening. I also say Friday and Saturday, but I could be wrong. Those are good days for me. Fridays and Saturdays are always good days for me with posting because usually that's when people get their paychecks. So it's like, you get your paycheck, come spend it on me. Whew, it's getting high in here, y'all. All right, but anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment some more videos you want to see from me too. Depop related, beauty related, anything. Just comment videos you want to see from me and I will make them. And I will see you in my next video, which hopefully will not be 9 months from now.